Hi friends, in this session we'll start with the S block element. So क्विक रिवीजन और क्विक रिकैप ले लेते हैं एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट के लिए. एस ब्लॉक के अंदर दो ग्रुप होते हैं, ग्रुप 1 एंड ग्रुप 2. ग्रुप 1 की बात करें तो ग्रुप 1 आर एंटाइटल्ड एज अल्कली मेटल. ग्रुप 1 के अंदर एलिमेंट होते हैं लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम एंड सीजियम. द जनरल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक configuration is NS1. Lithium is the lightest metal. Lithium shows diagonal relationship with magnesium. Sodium is the most abundant alkali metal in the earth crust. Alkali metals have the lowest ionization enthalpy and the largest atomic radii in their respective period. Why this thing is happening? Lowest ionization enthalpy just because they have a one electron in outermost shell. To remove one electron, they achieve a nearest noble gas configuration. That's why their ionization enthalpy is really very less. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट होने की वजह से एटॉमिक रेडियस सबसे ज्यादा होगी, क्योंकि अक्रॉस दिस पीरियड सेम प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर के अंदर इलेक्ट्रॉन इंट्रोड्यूस होगा एंड ड्यू टू दिस एटॉमिक रेडियस इज कंटिन्यूअसली डिक्रीजेस. The hydration enthalpy of alkali metal ion are in order of Li plus is greater than to this Na plus is greater than to this K plus is greater than to this Rb plus is greater than to this Cs plus. Alkali metals behaves as a strong reducing agent due to their low ionization enthalpy. Most important one marker question: all the alkali metal impart a characteristic color on flame. Lithium gives carmine red, Na gives golden yellow, K gives pale violet, Rb gives reddish violet and Cs gives sky blue. Cesium, due to this very low ionization enthalpy, is used into this photoelectric cell. Once again, most important one marker question: alkali metal, due to their low melting and boiling point, have very weak metallic bond, and this is why they can be cut with the help of knife. The reactivity of alkali metal increases from lithium to cesium. Alkali metal hydrides are ionic in nature and are strong reducing reagent. Lithium forms monoxide, that is Li2O, even with this excess of oxygen. Sodium forms this peroxide, while K, that is potassium, rubidium and cesium, forms superoxides with excess amount of oxygen. The basic nature of alkali metal hydroxide increases on descending the group. Alkali metal dissolved in liquid ammonia and gives deep blue coloration. Equation लिखना compulsory है. That is M plus X plus Y NH3 gives M NH3X minus plus E, that is electron NH3Y raised to minus. जो वो ऑक्साइड के रिएक्शंस थे एक बार चेक कर लीजिए. 4 मोल ऑफ Li plus O2 you get Li2O, that is lithium oxide. 2 Na plus O2 you get Na2O2, that is sodium peroxide. M plus O2 gives MO2, that is superoxide. All the oxide, the oxidation state of alkali metal is +1. The alkali metal react with water to form the hydroxide and dihydrogen is released. The alkali metal react with dihydrogen at about 673 Kelvin and forms hydrides. So that is reaction towards hydrogen. Next is alkali metal react vigorously with halogens and forms M++ X minus, means NaCl, KCl, CSCl is best example. The alkali metals are strong reducing agent and lithium is most powerful reducing agent. Example याद रखिएगा, LiAlH4, lithium aluminium hydride. Some important component, that is sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3.10H2O, that is also known as washing soda. It is prepared by the Solvay process. Most important for your examination concern, Solvay process. जब भी Solvay process पूछे ये तीनों के तीनों इक्वेशन एंड ये फोर्थ इक्वेशन लिखना कंपलसरी है. So that is 2 mole of ammonia when treated with H2O and CO2 you get NH4 twice CO3. This NH4 twice CO3 when treated with H2O and CO2 you get 2 mole of NH4HCO3, and NH4HCO3 plus NaCl gives NH4Cl plus NaHCO3, that is sodium bicarbonate. Now the sodium bicarbonate crystals separate, which are heat to give a sodium carbonate, that is 2NaHCO3. When you hit it you get Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Last equation, In this process, ammonia is recovered when the solution of NH4Cl is treated with CaOH twice. Calcium chloride is obtained as a byproduct. Means 2 mole of NH4Cl treated with CaOH twice, you get 2 mole of ammonia plus CaCl2. So this is all about your Solvay's process. एक 1 marker question, that is Na2CO3 के जगह पे K2CO3 Solvay प्रोसेस से नहीं प्रिपेयर किया जा सकता है. क्यों? उसका रीजन नेक्स्ट 2 लाइन में अवेलेबल है. Solvay process cannot be used for this manufacturing of potassium carbonate because potassium hydrogen carbonate is too soluble to precipitate by this addition of ammonium hydrogen carbonate to a saturated solution of potassium chloride. Sodium carbonate is a white crystalline solid, exists as a decahydrated, that is Na2CO3.10H2O. Uses: sodium carbonate is used as a water softening, laundry purpose. It is also used for manufacturing of glass, soap, borax and caustic soda. Next important component, that is called as sodium chloride. Formula is NaCl. Most abundant sodium chloride is a seawater which contain 2.7 to 2.9% by mass. Crude sodium chloride is obtained by a brine solution. It contains CaCl2, Na2SO4, CaSO4 and MgCl2 as an impurity. To obtain pure NaCl, the crude salt is dissolved in minimum amount of water and filtered remove insoluble impurities. The solution taken as the saturated with HCl and finally you get NaCl crystal. So last line, sodium chloride is used as a common salt. टेबल सॉल्ट के लिए वो यूज होता है डोमेस्टिक पर्पस में. It is also used to preparation of Na2CO3, NaOH and Na2O2. Next is sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide formula is NaOH. इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक प्रोसेस दैट इज कास्टनर कार्नर सेल के अंदर ये प्रिपेयर किया जाता है. एट कैथोड Na++ electron in the presence of Hg, you get NaHg, that is sodium amalgam. At anode, Cl- gives half of Cl2 plus electron. The sodium amalgam is treated with water to give sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is evolved. Last line, it is used to manufacturing of soap, paper, artificial silk and the number of chemicals. It is also used as a laboratory reagent. Last is sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is entitled as NaHCO3. So NaHCO3 is also known as baking soda. कुकिंग पर्पस के अंदर ये हाईएस्ट यूज किया जाता है. It is commonly known as baking soda. It is due to the fact the decomposition of heating to generate a bubble of CO2. That's why it is used into this cake pastries. It is forms a saturated solution of sodium carbonate with CO2 and Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. You get 2 mole of NaHCO3. Uses: it is mild antiseptic, skin infection. It is also used as a fire extinguishers. Last is biological importance. 4 या 5 points याद कर लीजिएगा biological importance sodium and potassium के. Many a times 4 marker question asks, give the biological importance of sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium. So आपको इस सभी के biological importance के एटलीस्ट कम से कम 2 से 3 लाइन प्रिपेयर करनी पड़ेगी. Let's start with the group 2, that is alkaline earth metal. So alkaline earth metal के अंदर कौन कौन से फैमिली मेंबर है? बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम, स्ट्रोंशियम, बेरियम and radium. The first element, beryllium, differs from this rest of this family member and shows diagonal relationship with aluminium. The general electronic configuration is NS2. Like alkali metal, the compounds of this element are also predominantly ionic. The atomic and ionic radii of this alkaline earth metal are smaller than those of this corresponding alkali metals in the same period. This is due to this increases nuclear charge of this element. Within the group, the atomic and ionic radii increases, which increases the atomic number. The first ionization enthalpy of alkali earth metal are higher than those of this corresponding group 1, and which is due to their smaller size and corresponding to this alkali metal. Many a time this question asks, a second ionization enthalpy of magnesium is really very less as compared to the sodium. तो once again फिर से याद कर लीजिएगा, मैग्नीशियम में से सेकेंड इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना it is really very difficult. No, it is not. Why? Because by removing second electron it achieve nearest noble gas. But सोडियम में से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल जाने के बाद अगर सेकेंड इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना है तो it is really very difficult. Why? Because second इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना होगा नियॉन कन्फिगुरेशन में से, and that's why it is really very difficult. Like alkali metals, and the hydration enthalpy of alkali earth metal decreases or increases of ionic down to this group. That is Be plus 2 is greater than to this Mg plus 2, greater than to this Ca plus 2, greater than Sr plus 2, greater than Ba plus 2. Hydration enthalpies of alkaline earth metal ion are larger than those of this alkali metal ion. Alkaline earth metal are silvery white, lustrous and relatively soft but harder than to this alkali metals. The melting and boiling point of alkaline earth metals are higher than to this corresponding alkaline metals due to the smaller in size. Calcium, strontium and barium are readily attacked by this air to form oxides and nitrides. All the alkali earth metal combine with halogen with the elevated temperature. The alkaline earth metals readily react with liberated dihydrogen. Metal plus 2HCl एसिड के साथ जैसे ही रिएक्ट करेंगे MCl2 बन जाएगा and hydrogen is released. Like alkali metal, the alkaline earth metal are strong reducing reagent. They react with ammonia just like alkali metal. M plus X plus Y ammonia gives M ammonia X raised to 2 minus plus 2 electron ammonia Y raised to minus. So metallic beryllium is used to making the windows of X-ray tubes. A suspension of magnesium hydroxide that is called milk of magnesia used as antacids. MgCO3 is ingredient of this toothpaste. Then रेडियम salts are used as a radiotherapy, chemotherapy के अंदर या फिर कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट के अंदर भी यूज होता है. The alkaline earth metal burn into this oxygen converted to corresponding metal oxide. BeO is amphoteric in nature, while another element are slightly acidic or basic in nature. Next, this reaction with water and converted to corresponding hydroxide. All these halides of the alkaline earth metal except beryllium halide are ionic in nature. Beryllium halides are covalent in nature. The alkaline earth metal forms a salts of oxoacids like carbonate, sulfate and nitrates. Anomalous behavior of beryllium is due to the smaller size and ionic size. कुछ वन मार्कर क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे छुपे हुए वो डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. जैसे फ्लेम टेस्ट, कैल्शियम, स्ट्रॉन्शियम एंड बेरियम is used to determination of qualitative analysis and estimation of flame photometry. Calcium and barium have been used into this remover of vacuum tubes due to their reactivity with oxygen, nitrogen at high temperature. Beryllium is amphoteric in nature. बहुत बार पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन, just because it is react with acid as well as alkali. BeOH twice plus 2OH minus gives BeOH 4 raised to minus 2, that is berylate ion, and BeOH twice when treated with HCl you get BeH2O4 Cl2. Once again one marker question, beryllium chloride is a chain structure or the polymeric structure. ये structure draw करना compulsory है. In vapor phase BeCl2 tends to form a chloro bridge dimer जो structure show किया हुआ है, which dissociate into this linear monomer at high temperature approximately 1200 Kelvin. Some important compound of calcium. Its chemical formula is CaO. It's commonly known as quicklime. It is prepared commercially by heating a limestone in a rotary kiln. CaCO3, when you hit it, you get CaO plus CO2. It is a white amorphous solid. Its melting point is 2870 Kelvin. On exposure to the atmosphere, CaO when treated with water, you get CaOH twice, and CaO when treated with CO2, you get CaCO3. Uses: it is used as a raw material for manufacturing of cement. It is also used to manufacturing of dyestuff. Calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH twice. अभी हमने ऊपर preparation देखा. That is when CaO treated with water, you get CaOH twice. It is a white amorphous component. The aqueous solution of CaOH twice is known as lime of water. Suspension of this lake lime in water is called milk of lime. Now CaOH twice के अंदर जब भी हम CO2 पास करेंगे, you get CaCO3 plus H2O. On passing excess amount of carbon dioxide is converted into bicarbonate, that is calcium hydrogen carbonate. Milk of lime react with chlorine and converted into bleaching powder. One marker question: give the preparation of bleaching powder. CaOH twice plus 2Cl2 gives CaCl2 plus CaOCl2 twice plus 2H2O. Uses: it is used into this preparation of mortar, a building material. It is used for this making glass in tanning industries. Calcium carbonate, its chemical formula of CaCO3. It occurs in a nature in the form of limestone, chalk and marble. It can be prepared by passing CO2 through this lake lime. That is CaOH twice plus CO2 gives CaCO3 plus H2O. It is also prepared by addition of sodium carbonate to this calcium chloride. That is CaCl2 plus Na2CO3 gives CaCO3 plus 2NaCl. It is a white fluffy powder. On heating calcium carbonate at 1200 Kelvin temperature, आप सभी को पता है CaCO3 को डिकम्पोज करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? CaCO3 when decomposes you get CaO plus CO2. It is used into this building material. Forms of marble, quicklime. Last 3 lines, that is biological importance of magnesium and calcium. कुछ important one marker question यहाँ पे available है. That is CaSO4 half H2 is commonly known as plaster of Paris. Molecular formula पूछते हैं बहुत बार. CaSO4.2H2 is commonly known as gypsum. Cement is a mixture of lime, clay having the silica among with this Al, Fe and Mg. The thermal stability of carbonates alkaline earth metal is increases, which increases the cation size. So this is all about your chapter number 10 S block element, group 1 and group 2. In detailed discussion separately वीडियो में अवेलेबल है आप ही के पास, तो एक बार चेक कर लीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम चैप्टर नंबर 11 पी ब्लॉक का रिवीजन करेंगे. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फ्रॉम माय साइड. थैंक यू सो मच.